Yes.
Why are you in the trading plaza? Bro.
You need
Why are you in the trading plaza?
this much money. Bro.
Eh, bros lagi.
Ha. That much money too
Jailer.
much for me.
Just go to the toilet tower defense gate. Bro. Just go back.
Some trading plaza.
Little kitty, big city.
Bro, transport to the lobby. What?
Who the hell is the abandoned patigasan?
Hey, fuck you. This is family friendly, alright?
I swear, if I play this game, I always get beat
Oh,
up
wait.
by Madara.
Mapot guys, I don't have any.
I have 30 gems. I have 30
I
gems.
don't have any unit. This is my stronger unit. I don't mind that.
This was how much you
Yeah, money. $2.
give me.
Bro, I only have one.
I trade you 2 titans.
Nope. I already have future clock. That's enough for me and this guy.
I can.
I already equipped it.
And I send my unit.
Bro, why? Fuck you.
Why
What?
you keep inviting me? The strongest battle.
Ignore. Daniel, did you join yet? We're gonna go end this mode. Wave 63.
Private server.
Yup. What do you expect?
Why? Endless.
Wait, you know King's classmate, Jimmy? With Jimmy?
Yeah.
Bro, we went up to wave.
Okay.
Top.
Wait, 200 plus.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yes. Bro,
Yo, someone trade me
let me see your units.
you know the new titan?
Yeah. Bro, that's old.
So this guy,
Yes.
he trade me, but he trade me this guy and the next small one. You know,
Bro, let me see all the let me see all your units. Don't want gems, okay?
oh,
Why you cancel?
Legendary.
What legendary?
Legendary.
Bro, 900 saving. That's all. Oh, wait na,
Add.
ano ka? Old unit. Ito, old unit. Old unit.
What your unit again?
Yo, guys, should I go?
Bro, when?
You're taking too long. Niggas.
Oh, shit.
Come on.
Tyler.
Here.
We need a picture block.
Here, right? Bro, what you want?
Let me see all your unit. If you have real money unit.
What?
Let me see all of your unit.
Money unit, nega.
Oh, sorry. This is my only money unit. Look. Look.
The rose guy.
Rob now. Ay,
Oh, dito ba yung best?
Bro, just teleport to endless.
ay, bro, you're blind.
The evil crab toilet. Okay, I'm awake the evil crab. Bro said, he said fight the evil crab.
Bro,
That's why I got it.
Bro, never fight the evil crab.
The game said it.
I have 3 of them.
baby defense.
Private zone.
Bro. Yo, look. Bro, look. This me.
Now that boy.
What? That movie
That
house.
Migios.
At the tiny house. In the future.
This.
Oh, you. Is it the
Bro!
dog?
I just
Bro,
fun.
look.
You're dead, nigga. I just fun.
Oh, that's why. Bro, that's KJ. Oh.
Ay, ano?
That's me. Oh, ano?
Oh, that happened to me before.
KJ.
Bye.
KJ ba yun?
Hindi. Martial arts.
Alam
Seryo?
ko.
Lower your fucking manual.
Bro, this is the last low. This is the last level of the
Bro, still lagging even though.
Bro, you know how FPS the strongest battleground is?
Yeah.
This servers, lagi na good.
Ito ginagamit ko para sa ano eh, sa Deadly Ninja.
Oh, me too.
Use
Kasi it's
that-
powerful.
Use that thing.
Destructive gun.
Na.
Bro, there's a...
Atomic Samurai. That's strong.
Bro.
Yeah, bro, I use it, bro. Uli mo naman siya, bro.
Yeah. The ultimate move, the atomic slash.
Bro, that's the atomic. Ilan nga damage? Ano, gusto mo serious pa?
Mas malakas pa yun sa ano.
Sa ano? Oo nga.
Paano pag ini-serious punch pa yung ano?
Mas malakas pa yung death. Ay, yun.
I-serious punch pa yung ano?
Mahina daw. Hot.
Destructive cyber combo nakita ko sa top.
Ayun. Ingat sing buti.
Nakita ko sa top player si Soy Toys. Bro, ay top
Damn.
donators. Bro, why is there different? Bro, why is it different? Let's try it. Ah, donators of the month and all time. Bro, I see XD na. The
Ching.
furry, the good of furry. He's so furry. How can you even afford a million Robux?
Jump.
Gamble.
Ah, ba?
In the lottery. Bro's name is Ray Majesty. Bro's name is Ray Majesty. Eh, bro! Don't say na I win.
Nakagin. Oh, eh.
Ah, bro, please. I hate destruction.
Jai, should I lightning stop?
Oh, bro, I told you this. Scared.
Nah, I just don't wanna. I'm soloing hard mode.
Scared. I'm alright, Jalen.
Oh,
Scared.
wow, pa.
I'm still recording your voice, right?
Ashka balaba.
Bro, wait.
Why am I eating? Oh, please, strongest battleground. Ah! How I get... Bro, dinosaur got extinct. Paning dinosaur.
Bro, dinosaur got extinct, but bro still a dinosaur.
Eh, I'm a dinosaur.
Dinosaur, bro.
I'm a
Ah,
dinosaur.
Diasasaur.
I'm a dinosaur. Yo, freaking.
Yo!
Hindi naman yun. No! No! Oh, wait, rabbit. Oh, kami. Go to the beach. Go to the beach. Summon the crab.
There's no way to summon the crab. It's some king.
Robux!
Nah. It just fun. Randomly. Bro,
You can summon the boss.
bro, that's from transforming. If you kill it,
Stun the crab, boss.
then buy it. If you want it.
Bigyan mo muna ako ng box.
Nah.
Ano lang, 400.
Nah.
1,000.
Nope. You know we're broke, right?
Yung broke.
Yeah.
Fight the fake boss.
What fake?
The fake crab.
Oh yeah, that one. The mini crab.
Bro, what the hell?
The mini crab.
Bro, I think I got
And then, bro,
Bro, I died to a crab. I got stumped on.
bro, there's a crab. That's King's crab.
What the? Oh, crab. What the?
That's King.
Crab. Oh, how do you have crab?
Just kill it.
Kaya nga.
Oh, kill it.
Mas, you have more damage.
Giant buboy
If you get the crab, most likely you get more damage.
Yeah, think so.
I'm a kill the crab, boss.
Kapush.
Bro, everyone gonna kill you. I'm use. Ana, all my crab para sa What the hell? Why is there a crab? Bro, everyone gonna fight you. Why you? I'm gonna do this. Bro, die. Oh, hell na, martial artist.
It's not called artist.
Martial art. Bro, it's called martial artist. Kita mo yan, ah.
Martial arts master.
Bro, dami.
Bro, I'm getting trapped, guys. Please help.
Bro, why you please cross me?
Giant buboy lead. Too heavy.
Die. You killed King.
Kabush.
Bro, I used jet dive and I got hit. What the hell happened to that crab? Nakakill you ako. Bro, if I kill...
Jay, this is the max level of the thingy.
Ano pag Eh, yo, moving so...
Bro, kasi sa knife upgraded. He's doing stabbing.
Tignan mo. Paano pag
I'ma join you if it's wave.
pinatay ko crab player, ginagamit yung crab. Paano lang pag pinatay mo, saan nakuha mo yung crab, ano?
Hindi mo kukuha.
Kaya nga, paano nga lang? Uy, yuk! Ah! Bakit dahil? Ako yung sky. I'm not even gonna kill you! Oh, I got double.
Bye now, guys. Because they're so annoying.